So hello everyone. So let's start. So this is the you can say this is my first webinar after uh, last year. So last year I did one webinar that is for like just to understand affiliate marketing. But this is something I've done after such a long time. You can say technically this is my first ever webinar. You can say. So I'm glad 70 people, say more than 75 people register for this event, and I think almost more than 25 people have already joined. So I'm very glad that you all are here. So today we'll talk about that 5 ways to monetize ClickFunnels. So how many of you don't know about ClickFunnels before? So you just wanted to know, just put in the chat box at the just write that I don't know about ClickFunnels. Most of you know because you are in touch with me, but anyone here don't know about ClickFunnels so that I can understand my audience better and I can proceed. I don't know. Soumya. Okay, cool. So basically, I'm going to explain all the things. What is the sales funnel? What is the how you can literally put your business into the next level? And so let's start, guys. So first, the agenda would be like about me, a little bit about me and my journey. In this journey, you will get to know about how actually I got started my marketing journey. And in this journey, you will also see the how I failed and how I overcome that failure, right? So you will learn from my journey as well. Then I talk about sales funnel and click funnel because before going to talk about click funnels, what are the different businesses you can build across click funnels. So you need to understand what exactly click funnel does and what is the importance of sales funnel in your business, right? Then I talk about 3 secrets. First secret, definitely I'll talk about funnel hacking. So funnel hacking is something how you can start an online business today. Don't have to have a big idea, big through idea. You have to start today itself, right? And the 5 ways to monetize CF, definitely that is that headline. And the my organic traffic hack, what exactly I'm doing and how I'm getting sales. If you knew, you see that this is all 75 registration has done organically, no paid ads, nothing, right? So how I did and what is the process of doing this lead generation process and how I have generated many sales. Uh, that is also I'm going to show the live case study. That like when I showcase this, then you will see that how exactly I started the conversation with client and how I got the sale. You will get to know about that and how to sell anything and remove the price war. So many of people are facing that I am not able to charge my client. I am not able to put the price because customer is asking that price is something you have to negotiate. So don't bargain price. How you can actually sales with a more high ticket products by not negotiating any price, right? And lastly, definitely I'll put you an offer. So this is not relating typical high pressure sales webinar. 90% will be the value. I will be focusing on value. And lastly, I will put offer that is completely optional. It is up to you. So cool. So let's start. Just start. Just put it in the chat box that will start. Okay. So good. Awesome. So if you know, like, so basically, I started my affiliate marketing journey last year, right? And I'll tell you how I got started. And now I'm currently focusing on ClickFunnels affiliate marketing and practicing sales funnel, how exactly sales funnel you can implement in your business and scale up into business. And what is the importance of sales funnel in any niche? It is not specific to any particular niche. You can literally build business across any niche. Right. So how I got started, I'll completely showcase as per the timeline method. So 2013, I was a physics graduate, right, and preparing for the CAT, thinking that okay, I failed physics because physics something was not my interest. But then somebody, my family member say, now Sagar, you have to do the business, right? That's how I got started about CAT, preparing for CAT. through CAT, I got into MBA, right? And 2016, I passed out from MBA, I got sales job. That sales job is something kind of like, you can say it is distributor to retailer sales, right? So I was not able to excite myself there, or I am not feeling well that, okay, this is something I wanted to do, because it was something I'm selling mobile from distributor to retailers, right? That is, this was not I was looking for. Then 2017, I left job. That job I left. Then I started searching for another job, working for a startup, and I invested in a digital marketing course with a 4x amount of my salary, right? 4x amount of my salary. Then when I invested that amount, then I see that that course is completely based upon that certificate. Definitely the certificate is very good, but the thing is, I'm not able to learn practical things which I wanted to really implement in my business or something like that. Right? So next, fast forward to 2020, I still I search for digital marketing, but the thing is, I got the same event I attended by DMC, sorry, Success Gyan in Delhi. I have attended one event. In that event, I got to know about sales funnel from Siddharth
Sagar,
Kashipar. I don't know how many people.
Sagar, can you mute everyone? It is creating a lot of nuisance behind. We cannot hear you properly.
So 1 second.
We cannot hear you properly. That's
Oh,
the reason.
1 second. I'll just.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So basically, in 2020, last year in March, when I attended digital marketing event by Success Gyan, then I got to know about sales funnel. What is the power of sales funnel, and what exactly anyone can transform their business with sales funnel, right? Just after a few days, something lockdown happened, and there was a huge financial crisis happen. I think many people have lost job. So similarly, I have not lost job, but I'm very fortunate enough to work with a company who at least pay me half salary, right? But that really struck me to think, help me to understand that, okay, now I have to create something, because if I focus on only job, I don't I will definitely I will suffer for life, right? So that's how I got started with my online career, right? And in April 2020, I have planned, okay, now I have to start affiliate marketing, because I know there are other options like blogging and other stuff. They are very good. But the thing is, somebody told me, they could, Sagar, if you wanted to go in that directions or YouTube something, that will take time, like 6 months or maybe 1 year. But I don't have in time, because I have already spent a lot of time, like 4 years, experimenting the things. But that time I have to take the right action, and I have to earn money online, because I have loan to pay, because I have taken loan for my MBA. Now that is what I got started with affiliate marketing. Then I started affiliate marketing, just spamming the links and everywhere. And that links leads me to nowhere, right? Then somebody told me that you have to register for the OFA, one funnel which that is by premium program by Russell Brunson, ClickFunnels team. Actually, I get into this program just to earn money, because at that point of time, the only thing I had in my mind, how to make money. The thing is, I learned so many things, other things like how to create an offer, how to write a copy, because that is the most important thing I have learned throughout this journey. Right. Well, I went into just for a make money, but the thing is, I've learned other things as well. What are the things I have learned that I'll tell you in a moment. And I got my first online income $100. That is on May 3rd. Right, that's how I started my affiliate marketing journey. Now you can say, like, after that, when I earn this money, then I joined so many other programs. Like, I wanted to earn more money, but I forgot that this is something I fall into, which is called like shiny object syndrome. Then 4 months from June to September, I had no sales. Completely, I went to zero. It was a completely frustration. September last, I was about to quit, but in that point of time, I started doing Facebook Lives. I think many of you know that I have done almost more than 270 Facebook Live in last 7 to 8 months. And that actually helped me to generate automated sales. October 6th to 7th, I saw my dashboard that there is a sales coming, and it was not direct sales. It was completely automated sales. Somebody went through my profile and saw the link and purchased them. So that's how I believe that there is something like affiliate marketing really works. So until September, I was under impression that I'm not getting result. It means that online marketing, the affiliate marketing is not working, right? But in October, when I make the commitment that okay, I have to focus on one thing. So you have to very much understand, because in online industry there are so many opportunities are there, right? So, then I made a commitment of that. Okay, I have to commit focus on one thing for next 6 months without any distractions. That's how November, December, there was a contest of ClickFunnels. I I I wanted to top 20 of ClickFunnels, which I'm also part of Russell Brunson Mastermind for one mastermind day, and so that was biggest achievement I can say till date, because being part of Russell Brunson Mastermind, it is not easy. He charged something like thousands of dollars, something like that, $100,000. Then in January, I focused on this. I never distract with any other product, because when you get into this industry, everybody will come and pitch you new product. Okay, this is the thing you have to, this is the best thing you have to promote. But I wanted to focus on one thing, because I know I wanted to work with some company which is already in the market, and they are creating the traffic. I don't have to create the traffic. I have to just stay in front of the traffic and provide the value. How I provide value, I will share. Now, after February, I started shifting my own growth to having contribution to other people lives, right? Because once you get mature, or once you get going in your journey and you see your growth, it is time to shift your growth to other growth, other people, how you can help other people to get the same results. Then that's how I help many people. I think I'll show you what the things happen after that. So my top learning out of all my journey till date, that is one thing that I have understand, that we have to change our mindset from selling a product to creating a movement. Okay, we have to change the mindset of selling a product to creating a movement. If you take example of any religious movement or any big company, be it Apple, be it like Tesla, like they have created a movement. So that's why they are ruling this industry. Right? So how you can create a movement? For me, I feel like I have created a movement of Facebook Live. I think many of you have attended my Facebook Live challenge. That is how you know, if you go Facebook Live, share your message. That is how you can build a trust with your audience. That is my way of movement. Right? So that is, you have to create the things as a entrepreneurs. So are you guys agree? If you agree, just type agree in the chat box. Awesome. Awesome. Now that is, I mentioned like growth to contribution and impact. It is more feeling that whenever you contribute other people's lives, their success gives you more happiness than your results. I've shared so many times that okay, this is my results, I'm getting this kind of success. But thing is, what gives me more motivation is helping other people life to, and help them to grow their business. Now you have to understand that after this understanding, having so many research, you cannot imagine. I think I have taken more than 20 to 30 course in last 2 years, so the 1.5 years. It almost, if you calculate, more than $4,000 I have invested in so many courses just to see how this offer is working. Now, after doing all the research, I have seen there is a four thing that actually you need in this current scenario. First one is funnel. That is the high income scale you have to build. Second is offer creation. Third is copywriting is one of the highest paid like since long. It is not today. It is since so many like, long time. And traffic. Traffic it can be a paid. It can be your like uh, organic what I. Then earning money is the secondary, but first is you have to be provide value. How many of you agree that value is most important than money? Because once you put value, then only you can get sales. Now I will tell you like how I provide value. I will give you the exact example in the next session. So now we have to understand what exactly sales funnel, right? Because this is one of the biggest uh, skill you have to build now, and the completely ClickFunnels is based upon this concept. What is the objective behind sales funnel? Any of you don't know about sales funnel here? What exactly sales funnel is? So big, I don't know. Okay, cool. So sales funnel, let's understand what is the typical things you have been going through in current scenario, that is traditional website. If you are a businessman and if you running a business, definitely everybody wants to, I want a website. But the thing is, website is not converting. People are not getting, people are investing so much of money on website, but that is not converting. There's just a like simple digital catalog, right? This website I will consider it is like a business card or it is a simple catalog. Sales funnel is something like your best salespersons working for you 24 into 7 without asking for a leave, right? So that is I'll share the part. But traditional website have so many options. In psychology, it says that if you give so many options in front of a man, he will get confused and he will not able to take actions. So confused minds never say yes. I'll repeat it again, like confused mind never say yes. If you put so many options, they will get confused. Now for sales funnel, it is a step-by-step process. So what basically sales funnel is all look like? The sales funnel look like this. You have to put the landing page to capture the list. List means like the capture the email ID, the contact details. Even if they return or close the tab, the chances of getting sales in the backend is more because you have the list. Now you can send a email automation. Hey, you have visited this page, but the thing is you opt in this page, but you have not purchased. Why? What are the reasons? Maybe you can ask in the backend, right? So that is how you can follow up through this. Then once you capture the list, the next step you have to give the sales page. Then it is easy rather than just putting sales page in front of the customer. You have to capture the list, then you have to give the sales page. Once you put sales page, if they have they take interest, the next step is to collect the money through your payment method, whatever. Now the next step is okay. Now you purchase one thing. I'll give you an example. So this is a book like Expert Secret book. Okay, Russell Brunson sell this book for free. Right. Once you purchase this book, in the next step he will ask you, okay, now you purchase this book, but you don't know like how to if you cannot read while you are busy at your work or you are traveling a lot. So best way to do it for you can take a audiobook, right? That is the best value we can get. Now he will think, okay, now I can purchase the audiobook. After purchasing that audiobook, now Russell Brunson, okay, now you purchase the audiobook, but do you want my trainer, my coaches to implement this book into your business? I said, yeah, definitely. So then Russell give another so more value, and he asked for more charges. So that is what we call upsell. You are giving more value, solving a next biggest problem, and giving a product. So that's what we call upsell page. And Lastly, you once you have done all the things, then you can deliver your product. It means it can be a course or it can be anything that you can deliver your product through membership area. So this all is called a step-by-step approach of a customer journey. Rather than giving everything in front of a customer, like take this product, take that product, putting one product and take them through a step-by-step process. This is called what sales funnel, right? So everybody understood? Anyone uh, not understood yet? Okay. Now the thing is sales funnel that I talked about, that is sales funnel is a psychological process. So that is I just talked about, like it is guide you through your like step-by-step approach through entire process, so they don't get confused or lost or leave. And the next one is like focus on one product and service they need most. So now we will get confused. What is the product I should put in the in sales funnel? So put that product which has high demand, or which is one of the success product which you can give to the market. People will buy instantly, right? So that is what you have to give, and follow up with your visitors. If somebody visited your profile funnel, don't purchase anything. You can ask in your now. This is all sales funnel can be designed in ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels has pre-made templates, everything, and you have to just put it your idea, put it your informations, then it will get it done. If you registered through my webinar funnel, right? That webinar funnel took me 2 hours to design, and all the integration part you can say like 45 minutes to 1 hour. So within 3 hours, I built it without having any coding knowledge, without having any technical knowledge in myself. Because as an entrepreneur, you have to spend more time with putting out your message, communicating with your audience. That is your most valuable task. So you are not here to just to design all the things and stuck with the technical stuff. that's that is the biggest problem ClickFunnels solve, right? So ClickFunnels has so many people. They have like 100,000 members inside it. And who is the main behind this is Russell Brunson. Many of you guys know. If you don't know, he is just like like last year he launched a book, A Traffic Secret, that went into the New York Times bestseller, and he has 19 years of experience in this field. He failed so many online businesses. He also built so many other businesses like MLM, everything he success with. And lastly, he understand, okay, this is the one thing that really the biggest thing in 21st century. Then he started this concept of sales funnel. Sales funnel was there before, like lead pages, Infusionsoft, there were before. But the thing is, he started promoting it in hard way and popularized this concept of sales funnel, right? I would say that yeah, this is a very simple since drag and drop click funnel, like remove developer cost. You don't have to hire a developer because Vusim, I have developed that like webinar in just 3 hours. I don't need any developer to hire and coding skill to build. And you can literally have one click upsell, right? An email marketing tool, and you can also create your course inside membership area. Now see that other people like the top marketers are using this kind. It is a very simple. You can see that this is something so how different from website, because this has very specific action that you have to put your shipping. You have to click that, buy the free copy of this book. This is how sales funnel works. In the next phase, you will ask, okay, purchase my product, purchase my course, something like that. Now biggest questions come like, okay, Sagar, I know that okay, sales funnel is good, but who is this for? Who can be benefit of this sales funnel or click funnels? This is the basic you structure like ClickFunnels decided, okay, these are my top most customer inside ClickFunnels. So I think it covers almost all local businesses, consulting, coaching, or you don't have any product, you are just starting out, right? So that is also this company. So this ClickFunnels will help you. So let's move to the secret number one, that is funnel hacking. So till that, how it's going? If you are like getting value, just comment value in the chat box so that I can feel okay. You are getting value, so then I can proceed further. Awesome. So how many funnel hacker here? Like if you already into funnel hacking and already doing funnel building, you just type in the chat box. How many funnel hacker here? Nilesh, Kishore, yeah, hashtag funnel hacker. Awesome. So first we need to understand what exactly funnel hacking. Basically, this concept will help you to like start your business now. I just mentioned in the first slide. So there are common questions when you starting out your any business. Let's suppose you plan to start anything online, right? But the common objections people face, they face that okay, they don't have any breakthrough idea. What is that one idea that actually take them into a next level? So people have struggled with getting the best idea. But the next objections don't know where to start, and even they don't know whether this idea will work or not. Don't know where to start. Now to remove all these objections, this funnel hacking concept has created. Yeah, another objection is like first one to invent. Like everybody, when you starting out, you also think that okay, I have to create something new in the market which nobody has created. So this is the but the thing is the now this has completely changed. Now inventing a completely something new from scratch, it is the best way to do something which you can improve on existing business, right? So Tony Robbins, one of biggest speaker in the world, he says success leaves clues. Whatever successful company you name it, they have something there in their loophole. They have something they are doing the mistakes, right? Now what you can do is you can simple model success, and improve their processes. That is what you can uh, be good at, right? So if you name everybody, even if ClickFunnels is not the first company to start building funnels, right? Earlier, before there are a company I mentioned, Lead Pages, Infusionsoft was there, but they are not very popular now. Why ClickFunnels is popular? Because ClickFunnels understand the power of education. Russell will not sell you uh, like ClickFunnels in the first page. He will sell you books. He will sell you the one funnel which challenge the education. So the main objective is to educate first, then sell the product. Then the stick rate will improve, right? So that is how you have to understand that success leaves clues. Go and figure it out what someone who has what successfully did, what the businesses already successful built, and improve it if there is a chance of improvement. But learn the steps and how they have get the knowledge, right? Now let's talk about funnel hacking definition. What exactly the funnel hacking definition? So funnel hacking is the process of analyzing your competitor's sales funnel in order to adapt strategies for your own business. Excuse me. So this is like if you wanted to build a funnel. So what I did is like when I designed this webinar funnel, I picked a template and check, okay, this is the one of the good funnel, successful funnel. Then what I can do is I can see how I can implement my things, my message into that. I just tweak it, I just edit it and just done. That's how I made it very fast. That is the power of funnel hacking. So you don't have to create completely from scratch or any business you have to. You have to just see what are the businesses already built successfully. and model them and build as per your choice. Now you will ask, okay, is this funnel hacking is legal? No, since you are not copying. If you are just copying their brand name, their logos, their layout, then it is definitely illegal. But you are just modeling the success. I'll take an example of like I've seen that one funnel is like challenged by Russell Brunson, but the thing is there is a one group away challenge by Alex. So how she has modeled this? This is the one funnel challenge, and she has build a challenge of one group away. So one funnel challenge objective is to build funnel, build your online business. But the one group away challenge is something grow your and grow your Facebook group, monetize your Facebook group, how you can generate leads through Facebook group, generate sales through Facebook group. This is all about Facebook group, right? Building your Facebook group in 30 days. So another line here is like, if you wanted to be successful, just find someone who has achieved the same result you wanted to achieve and model that and do, and you will definitely achieve the same results. So you don't have to create completely new business. So if you understood this concept, this is told by Tony Robbins, just type understood in the chat box. Modeling success is important. You don't have to create a new one on awesome. So if you have any questions, guys, we'll take the all the questions later. Okay, cool. So let's proceed, guys. I'll give you a few tools what actually you can use for funnel hacking. This is a free Chrome extension that is a full page screen capture that actually you can install into your Chrome browser that actually takes screenshot of your complete funnel. You don't have to take the picture of every single slide, and you can make your full page screen capture, right? Second tool, you can use it Facebook ads library. You know this guy is running Facebook ads. You wanted to you wanted to see that what are the other ads he's running. You can just go to Facebook ads library, then you can search the name of the page, and you can see that okay, this guy is running this ads. Now what you can do is you can just go through that funnel, understand their what their messaging, what they're doing, and model it and tweak it into your business. So this is how the funnel hacking is all about. Another tool is Power Ad Spy. This is a paid tools, but it has some trial period that you can also go and see related to your niche. Let's suppose you are into fitness niche, if you are into any dentist niche, anything. You can just go and select the category, you can select your niche, select your industry, and you can find what are the top ads people are running in that industry. Keyword anywhere. Let's suppose you are into blogging, you wanted to build a good blog in your industry. What you can do is keyword anywhere, and I have forgot to mention one thing that is Ubersuggest. If you go and type the what are the top keywords people are searching for, once you have the keyword, then what you can do is keyword just go and find the what are the top pages having good backlinks, and you can also model the same similar kind of blog to your business. Some question asking that I can model it for my clients too. Yeah, definitely, why not? You can model it for your business or for your client, anything. And best hack that I use personally, if you have received 4 or 5 emails before joining these sessions, all the emails I have not written. I have just taken from one of the marketer I follow, who is very good at email marketing. So that what I did is I just see that what is the pattern he follows before 10 minutes, before half an hour, before 1 hour. I just model it. I just take that. The best way to do funnel hack is to be the email list of your competitors, be the email list of your top industry leaders. Once you go through their emails, so don't try to unsubscribe those emails. They are really valuable. You are getting free email swipes for free. right? That email swipes, maybe they have hired top content writer for them, right? You don't have to write the complete content, so you are getting free email swipes. So don't unsubscribe top marketer emails messages, right? See what they are doing it, how they are promoting it. If you are a real marketer, then you can literally use this hack to build your email marketing automations, email like do the all marketing. In that email, they will be promoting some product. You can follow the pattern, how they are doing it, and model it. You can go. So this is the one like hack that literally help you to faster your success rather than creating something new. It is better to find someone who is already successful in your industry and model them. Understood, guys? I think I've completed the secret one. If you are understood, just type completely understood. Can you name the person? What is the name? Okay, so the email, there are many, even Russell Brunson is having good email you can call like it. I'm just saying that strategy because everybody has a different industry, right? You have to find what is the top email marketer. You can go to their page and subscribe to their email list. Maybe they have some free lead magnet. You can part of their email list and you can model them. So that is how the um, like funnel hacking is all about. Now let's get into the secret number two. That is the 5 ways to monetize ClickFunnels. Now, after understanding all the things, now we have to think about that what is the business you can literally build with ClickFunnels. So first one is selling your own product. Let's suppose you are coaching, you are into coaching, you are into consulting, you are having courses. If you don't have any courses or any product, don't worry. There is another point I will discuss. You are having e-commerce products, you are having professional services like dentist services, chiropractor services, then literally you can build your funnel. Now, what is the price point you can charge? So normally the course creator, you can charge the low ticket between $7 to $27, because I would not ask you to sell high ticket product at the first, because your funnel will be very less. Then hardly people will purchase. Once you give low ticket product, that's how people get value. Then once they understand, then you know that these are the people purchase my low ticket product, then you can remarket them. Or you can also sell the high ticket products inside your funnel. Whenever somebody purchases $7 product, you can ask, okay, if you have a budget, sorry, if you wanted to get more value, like I given the example of book, I give an example of courses. So what you can keep high ticket as a courses. Let's suppose you are selling a $7 courses, like 1 hour courses. What you can do with the next? You can do a group coaching program. And the next you can do a mastermind. In the higher, if you upsell them, then you can also give some one-to-one services. That's how you give more value and you charge more. Mid ticket, you can be, the price range can be 97 to $97. High ticket can be like 500 to 2000. It's go to like you can charge anything which is like based on your service delivery. There are so many top coaches are there, like these are people who have already generated $1 million sales in their businesses, coaching businesses, personal branding businesses, so many businesses. And basically, ClickFunnels has a very special contest that if you crossed $1 million inside ClickFunnels, so you will be given an award of like 2 comma club. That's called 2 comma. It means 2 comma. That is called $1 million, right? So that is what is called 2 comma club. So you will be invited to the head office of, sorry, the funnel hacking event, and Russell Brunson will hand over you the gift. That is once you make $1 million in a single sales funnel. So now till date, there are uh, there are 1033 exact number as per today data. I can say already crossed $1 million inside ClickFunnels. 1033 people. Now this guy is one of my mentee. He joined like in January, December, January. His, I think, his second year of engineering. He started coaching. Now the thing is, you don't have to be expert, like very big expert to start coaching, right? You have to just one step ahead of your target audience, right? So you don't have to know everything. So this, he is student. He is coaching people who is already 25 years of experience. Now he closed a $500 through funnel coaching client. Now he is already, I think, almost end of completing this project. So there are many other niche are there like fitness, consulting. Then you can literally build your client. Now the second businesses you can build, that is called selling they done for you services. So there are many inside this webinar of my, I feel they are providing services like funnel designing, technical support, copywriting, paid ads, or income opportunity, you can say 500 to $1,000. So how many of you are already doing any of these services? Can you just let me know if you are present in this webinar? Anyone here already building funnels? Nilima, yeah, great. So, Chaudhary. So if you can just mention how much you are actually charging, like what are the opportunities people should know that, okay, this is the you are charging through your client. You can average funnel, how much you are charging. I got $500. Awesome. That's awesome. So yeah, this is the power of like building funnels, technical support. So now the biggest question is how you can get the clients. I'll ask. So he is also doing very good inside ClickFunnels, and he has done 250 sales funnel. Like because I know this guy, I'm seeing from my start of the journey. That's why I put this his picture. He is having a funnel agency only for building funnels, only building funnel for ClickFunnels. I guess he is doing only for ClickFunnels. I don't know if he is doing for WordPress or another other funnel builder, but he is doing this really awesome. He sees lots of value inside his. And now how to get the client. If you are part of ClickFunnels community, so there are a lot of people start posting, okay, I need ClickFunnels builder, can you help me to connect with any ClickFunnels builder? People are commenting like for whosoever. That is how you can generate leads. Here is another one. Hey, funnel hacker, I'm looking for a best in copywriting. That's why you can also go and comment, okay, you provide this services to your customers. This is the another example, somebody asking for looking for hire to full-time funnel builder experience in the health and fitness industry. This guy commented that, okay, he is doing a funnel. He can help. He's in team can help copy strategy, funnel building, and these things. So this is the way you can, if there's an opportunity, people are coming in front of across the world and you can literally build funnel for them. So now there are 5 different opportunities I'm going to share, but I think I have already closed, sorry, discuss about 2 different businesses you can build. You can select as per your interest, sorry, interest, right? So now the third one, that is which I am doing, which is I'm doing for the last 1 year, you can say, that is called affiliate marketing. And affiliate marketing is one of the best affiliate program I have ever gone through. So if you ask me, Sagar, can you help me with ClickBank and other Amazon, because I'm not doing that. Amazon, I would not suggest to go for Amazon because Amazon having 2-3% commission and end of having refunds, so many things. So rather than focusing on physical products, I would suggest start focusing on digital products, which is having good market reputations, right? So that is something you can also focus on whenever you select affiliate products. Now, affiliate marketing is for someone who don't have anything, who don't have any products or services. I wanted to start something. That is the best way to start. Or if you have product, you can add affiliate marketing into your system to have a good cash flow to get all the investment you would do for your business, right? So now the thing why I love about ClickFunnels affiliate marketing, that is really they have 100% commission in the front end of two products. I'm going to share for the two products that actually having front end 100% commission, and they have 40% recurring commissions in their software in the back end. So this is the challenge, one funnel challenge, that to one of the topmost product that actually costs $100, and you will get $100 once you sign up one people through your affiliate link, right? But the another product that give you 100% commission, that is called 2 Comma Club virtual event, 2 Comma Club live. Actually, Russell doesn't do so. This is something event which Russell conduct every quarter. It means 3 to 4 months, and there is an opportunity to earn $147 and $197 in commission, right? So this is a kind of invisible funnel. So invisible funnel something, first he will ask, okay, if you wanted to get for free, then you can don't pay anything, just put your credit card. Once you find its value, then don't ask anything, we'll charge 197. Or if you are very much confident that I'll give you right value, best value, then you can pay 147 now, have $50 discount. So that is for the concept of invisible funnel. This is when you read .com secret by Russell Brunson, you will get to know about like what is this invisible funnel. It is something which you can launch for free. You can charge it later. Now there is an opportunity of getting dream car. Literally, ClickFunnels will pay for your dream car when you recommend 100 sales, 100 software sales for them. Software sales means that let's suppose you recommend somebody 100 people to ClickFunnels, then you will qualify for dream car contest. You will get some other awards, some other swags, and you will be eligible to get $500 per month till the time you pay your EMI of your car, whatever car you can choose. There is a list of car you can choose like Audi, BMW. There is so many premium cars you can choose. That is the power of this concept. You just have to recommend 100 customer and you will eligible for this concept. Now you can generate $264 by selling books. Now see, he's providing books for free, but how he's getting, how you will get 264? This is the power of sales funnel I talked about. First, he will sell book, then he will ask, okay, if you want more value, get audio book. Then you will ask another upsell for 2-day event. Then next. So this is what the like opportunity inside a sales funnel, right? Once you sell this book, if somebody purchase all the product, he will pay something $737, and you will earn the commission of $264. So you understood this concept. If anybody not able to understand, I'll repeat it again. Sagar, can you explain the backend earnings of OFA? Chetan Kapoor. Backend earnings, there is nothing. So basically, since they are providing upfront, backend, if they use the same, they have a concept called cookies, like sticky cookies. If somebody purchase through your affiliate link, if they use the same browser and purchase the other product without clicking other affiliate links, then you will get the sales for other products also. Let's suppose if somebody purchase OFA, then purchase ClickFunnels software, then you will get the commission from ClickFunnels software as well. Okay, cool. Cars, like I just told you, like you have to just sell 100 customers, refer 100 customer to the software, and you will just apply for them, and they will not completely pay for the car. So they will release $500 per month to your account, and you can pay the EMI for that. Till the time you pay complete EMI, they will keep on paying every month 500. If you recommend 200 members, then they will give you $1,000 per month to you. Yeah, recurring. Yeah, recurring. So if you like promote 100 customers, then from affiliate commission you will be getting $5,000, $4,000 to $5,000 per month if you sell $97 commission. So $97 software. So now you ask like what are the results you have got till today? So this is my results. I got like over $4,500 commission out of this. If you want to say all the results are coming from the last 3 to 4 months, because I made so many mistakes. I have mentioned that 4 months I went into zero. This is, I'm very much honest about it, because I'm not going to hide anything, because I failed, literally I failed, because I was focusing on like so many different products without focusing on one thing. When I start focusing on one thing, that's how the magic happened. So that is the thing I have just. Now it is not my results, it is my mentee results also. Recently, Kusal crossed $400 in just 10 days. I think just today itself, I got message that he also crossed $500 in just 13 days. This is the power of affiliate marketing. Just promoting one product, you can getting. Nilesh is also doing 375. He is also um, promoting one funnel challenge. He is also getting the results. This is the part of the third way of getting building a business with ClickFunnels. Now the fourth is funnel Rolodex. If you are like providing any services, then you can use the platform called Funnel Rolodex, where you can get registered like Fiverr, and you can list your services like this. He's providing 7 funnel strategy by sales, $97. He's providing some high converting sales copy. I've not registered, but many people have registered. They are getting sales from it, right? Because this is a way, like if some Russell Munson is promoting, whenever somebody purchases one funnel challenge, he will send the traffic through that to this website, and you can get the sales. People are charging $1,997, $2,000 for like we help build and launch an online business. Okay, now the fifth platform you can make money through, make any business through ClickFunnels, that is called marketplaces. ClickFunnels has a marketplace. If you are a designer, if you have good funnels with you, what you can do is you can simply, this is a seller dashboard, like you can go and simply log into your dashboard and import your funnel templates and make your price. Like these people are charging 297 just for template. This is not a services. You can upload, build your funnel from scratch. You can build. ClickFunnels is very strict in this platform, because they were going to verify whether you are using any templates or building funnel from scratch. I think they are very strict about approving these things. But this is the one opportunity you can also look into it. I think I have covered all the 5 business models till the times. Now we are going to learn about how to generate leads. Once you build funnels, once you have all the services decided, you set up all your businesses. Now the biggest question is how I can get the lead generation for my business. Are you ready, guys, for the lead generation? I'm not going to talk about paid ads, because I'm not worked on paid ads. I'm going to share my strategy, how I get organic traffic without paying anything for ads. Ready, guys? Awesome. So there is 3 steps I follow, like of lead generations, of my lead generation system. First, finding out my target customer. Many people forget this step and just jumping into the different social media, right? Whenever people ask, I'm not getting any results, I ask, who is your target customer? They say general businesses, everybody in the market. That is the wrong concept. If you target everybody, then you will not get anywhere, right? So you have to be very focused towards your target audience. Who is your understanding your target audience? Now, how you can find your target audience? Think that who you can sub. Let's suppose you have some experiences you can take about which you can say that, "Oh, this is something naturally to work. Maybe you have some skill set, you have some past experiences. That is something you know, right? If you still struggling, I will ask that, okay, if you cannot find your customer, just look at the mirror, you will find it. Because you are the best customer of yourself. You are the best customer avatar of yourself. I'll give you my example. When I get started, I was struggling to make money online. And I figured it out, okay, this is the one thing, ClickFunnels is the one vehicle helped me to get my first income online. Then today, when I go back to that 1 year, who are the people are having struggle in the same situation where I am now? So I was there now, right? I just need to find it out my old Sagar. When Sagar, the 2020 version of Sagar, where Sagar was struggling. Now there are many people, maybe in this webinar, many people still planning to where to start. If they are into one platform, they are still struggling to get the sales, or they are not doing the right way. Somebody asked, okay, I'm doing an affiliate marketing, but I'm not with a good company that actually helping me to that actually teaching us a wrong strategy of marketing, like spamming other groups, spamming other people charts. Exactly, like who are actually, so that is how you can find your avatar if you are still struggling. Because if you have solved any problem in the past, there are many people in the industry still they are into that problem, right? I'll give you an example of like health and fitness coach. So mostly I see the people who help them to get fit, they are health and fitness coach, right? Because they have overcome some problem in their life. They will say, okay, this is my story. Now I'll go and help other people to help them in their businesses, in their niches, right? And relationship coach, they are also say like same go through some problem with their wife, with their loved ones. Now they are teaching other people to how you can be a better at good relationship. Now step two. Now once I figured it, okay, this is my customer avatar. What is the step number two? Now I have to figure it out where actually they are hanging out. Hanging out means what is the blog they follow, what is the like pages they follow, right? What are the groups they hang out. Once you find out where your customer is hanging out, then it is very easy to go in that group and start providing value. Now is the time to show how I provide value in the next step. Target my niche and um, provide value. So answering the question inside group, this is one thing. There are like many groups out there in your niche. It can be health, fitness. People are asking questions. People are asking questions of about that. Okay, this is my problem I'm facing. How I can improve this. Now share value post both your group or sorry both other people group and your profile. It will help you to understand, connect with your audience. Now what kind of value post to make? What you can do is you can observe your or target audience frustrations, target audience struggles. What are the questions they keep on asking? You have to sit in front, uh, in place of them and think what are the questions they are thinking. Once you find out their problem, Then based on that, you can make an answer and you can make a post or like what I do is I go when I figured out one problem, I just go and share with my Facebook Live. Now create problem. Also, you can also create a problem solving content on YouTube or Facebook. This is how you provide value. I'll give you the live example. You want me to show me live case study, guys? How I got $1,000 sales just providing one value. Awesome. So this is something happened last month. Yeah, last month. He asked that, okay, I'm facing this problem and I'm enrolled to this summit, but I'm not able to get this thing done. Now what I did is I answered these questions that, okay, 30-day summit is available for 24 hours. Now, if you wanted to get access, then you have to sign up for the One Falloway challenge. And he asked another questions. I provide value with highlighting this thing. So I put the effort to answer the questions inside group. This then I what I did is I just sent the friend request. Maybe I don't know whether he noticed from this or by friend request. And he visited my profile. And in my profile, I clearly mentioned that this is the something offer is going on. If you wanted to grab, you can grab. What I did is he just here, click on here, and he just click this link, right? And he landed into my uh, landing page that has an offer of ClickFunnels 997 plans. It means $1,000. So he purchased immediately. So that's how I got sales of $1,000 in a day, right? So I spent just 5 to 10 minutes by answering his questions. And in that day, I have not answered any other questions. I got sales. So this is how importance of providing value and getting the results. If you feel that this is awesome, super awesome, you can just type super awesome in the chat box that this is a live case study I'm showing you, right? Many people say that provide value, but they never show you like how they provide the value. I just show the complete the step by step how you provide value. So I don't want to keep my secret because every day your secret will get obsolete. If you are someone uh, like fearful to share your secret to your audience, see that definitely that secret will get obsolete in some point of time. If you are fearing of that, I don't want to share secret, I wanted to share only to my paid members or something like that. What happens, the thing is, you are blocking yourself to learn new things because every day you have opportunity to learn new things. If you are learning new things, don't hesitate to share your secret. So that's how I share the secret inside everyone that this is how process I sold to $1,000, right? Awesome. Now list another lead magnet. Like this is a very powerful tool. If you have seen, this is I have also mentioned. After some time, basically this banner will remove because now this offer has ended. I will change it to group. Now what I'll do is I'll put a click on. Okay, if you wanted to join my private community, then you can click here. When I've also mentioned it here, when someone click here, well, they will go to my group. And in my group, what I've asked three questions. The three question is, do you use ClickFunnels? They say yes. And what is the biggest problem they face? Finding the leads. And what is the best email address you can give so that I can give you a free course to you? So in these three questions, I have observed this guy is facing this problem. I think I don't know Srinath is also in this webinar. I'm so now what has now I know that he is having problem in finding the leads, right? If you don't mind, Srinath, I'm just sharing the live case study because this is something I'm using it. I wanted you to like do the thing because rather than just cold messaging someone and purchase your product, this is the best way. What you can do is you can just go and ask Srinath. Srinath, you just thank you so much for joining my group. Now I have seen that you have mentioned you are going through problem on finding leads. So it creates you as authority because now you don't have to ask someone to, hey, purchase my product like this because you are already on the top when you are asking these questions. and they are answering this answer. So I normally don't accept someone who don't answer because I don't know who is this customer, how I can help them. So they are still on the pending list. I think you can see there are 15 people have not answered the question. Answer that reason why I have not answered. When I get to know about that person, then only I can accept if they have not put. So this is now you can say that this is my Facebook group. So I use Facebook group as a lead magnet. So I don't have to create some other lead magnet to build my list. Here also I'm building my list without using any landing page things, right? So you can use this system as for free. So if you found this idea super cool, you can also type super cool. Now I think all secret has done. Now I'll share you extra bonus secret. I think it is almost we are close to 1 hour. I'll just quickly wrap up. Are you guys finding value of this webinar or feeling bored? Awesome. So this is creating an offer like this is which help you to remove your price war, right? Now how you can beat your price competition with your price. Now thing is you have to understand what is an offer. Offer is something not equal to the product. Okay, just drink. Offer is something completely different from your product. So let's suppose you are uh, selling supplement at your store, and but you saw that Amazon selling the same supplement in the price of $37. Now if you give example, which one you will choose? Which one you will choose if you wanted to purchase supplement? Option 2 or option 1? Definitely Amazon, right? Because people you are selling a product, that's why people will see that okay, this is a product, now I have to sell this from Amazon, right? Now I'll give an example of offer. If you sell only product, then people will think about the price and go for the comparisons, and you will lose the sales. That is for sure. Now, how you can create an offer to build sales? Now, think what else you can uh, add into your offer. Now, the strategy of creating an offer is to build the product or something complementary things that help you to face the next challenge when they consume the product. Like what the problem they think that what are the problem they can face after or during the consumption of that product. It can be they are not able to track their calories, they're not able to go the step-by-step process, they don't have any mentors. So what you can do is you can add these three things like calorie tracker, weight loss guides, and accountability group, right? Now tell me like which option you will choose, option 1 or option 2? Still you are going for Amazon? So this is the power of thing, like you create an offer rather than just selling a product. So here offer people will the perceived value is increased, the same product packaged in a different way you are selling things. I have given the example of audiobook, right? In audiobook that the same thing happened. Russell gave audiobook packaged in a different way, same content, completely word by word is content same, whatever mentioned in the book, but he packaged in a different way, like an audio book, and that is he's charging $37, right? So you now I think all the webinar is completed. Now this is the come to my offer part. Now how I promote the things and what are the offer, basically what is my front end offer. You wanted to see guys? This is a completely optional if you don't want to take it, but you can learn from this how you can create an offer for your business. Awesome. So offer is like I provide personal support for life. One of the product I am going to share, that is value 997. I provide an accountability group access that actually I have my what now I have shifted to the WhatsApp because give more attention to my mentees, which basically every week I do inner circle meeting and mastermind. that actually help them to get result faster. I think many people are here. Anybody, if you are here inside from my inner circle group, you can also mention that how the value I provide. And in this offer, I also provide Russell Brunson interview traffic secret with my mentor. Another training from my mentor, that is a 5-day freedom funnel challenge, completely for free. That is help you to generate the leads which convert with automation. My mentor is Doug Boughton. He is a super affiliate of ClickFunnels. Make 100. There is another master class you will see. Sorry, another master class you will see, that is make 100,000, sorry, $1,000 in with ClickFunnels within a week. There is a strategy use. He got the dream car as well. Yeah, he got the dream car as well. You can search Doug Boughton and see the dream car list. Organic leads generation masterclass, like how he generated organic leads. And white label rights to a organic software. If you see that, if you are on friend list, I run a automation software to actually like with my birthday, because every day then I can see that 10 to 15 people notification coming for the birthday. So that is completely automated for me now. I'm not going to wish everybody, but that is completely automated now. So that software I'm going for free, and with white label rights. White label rights means you can also use as your lead magnet for your business. Now link wizard. If you are managing links, if you are into affiliate marketer or marketing stuff, and you are having so many things links inside, and you are confused what to do, that is I'm providing. That is actually cost $47 per month. You will get it for free. So the white label software is also $97 one time. That is you are going to get it for free. Premium funnel templates, that is something from the 7-figure entrepreneur who successfully built their funnels. So you don't have to build the funnel from scratch. You will get the funnel completely funnel. And it is a completely 4,000 worth of bonuses for free when you sign up the product I promote, that is one funnel challenge. If somebody interested, you can go through this challenge. This is happening day after tomorrow. If somebody interested, you can go through this challenge with my referral. So what else you will get? So basically this challenge is for like same like coaching, consulting, info products. If you're just starting out, or if you don't know what to start, if you wanted to get into affiliate marketing, you wanted to build your online business, and I show you like I have given so many bonuses. Somebody asked me like how keep so much of bonuses like for free. So that is what this training teach, right? Because all the 4 skill I mentioned: funnel, copywriting, offer creation, and what else? Ads. All the things you are going to learn from this one training itself. Right? You don't have to go for so many products. That is because this is not something only help you to build one business. The 5 top businesses I mentioned, it will help you to build all the 5 businesses inside ClickFunnels, or anything you start your build your business outside ClickFunnels, anything. So this is the 30-day challenge. I think they're going to start from 17th of May, as per today. Now the thing is what you will get from Russell Brunson. So basically in this challenge, what happens, if you don't know about this challenge, many of you, I think you have gone through this challenge. In this challenge, Russell Brunson go through 30-day live through every mission. And after completion of every day training, he will give away one workbook to implement whatever you have learned. That is called one pager. After implementations, every single day, there will be a coach who will handhold you and support you for the implementation for the next 30 days. Okay, they are literally coming every day, Monday to Friday. 2 days there will be off. and they will go for implementations. Whatever questions you can ask in that live call, coaching call. So this is something needed. Like when I go through so many other courses doesn't have this kind of feature because this is not a course, because this is a challenge, right? And this challenge actually help you to take actions rather than just going through hours of content and content not implementing the things, because once you don't implement one thing, it is very hard to jump into the next thing. So you have to implement. This is the one of the best action oriented affordable program. Then you will get other bonuses from like top two Comma Cup award winners, their interviews, how they achieve it. And this is something offered from me. Like the total value you will get from Russell is 3126, and total value you will get from me, that is 4996. Once you use through my link, that is only for $100. You don't have to pay anything extra to me, just have to sign up through my affiliate link. Now I'll repeat again what are the bonuses I'll give. Personal support for life, that you will included 90 minutes coaching call, one-to-one. I'll go to your business, I'll see what can be the possible, and inside your business I literally help you to start your business with this coaching call. A lifetime access to my inner circle group, the which is basically I do every single week. This is the lifetime access. You not have to just only for 30 days. Let's suppose you stuck with something after 30 days. What will do? That is something after 30 days also you will get access to the group. And I share, like I'm investing $1,000 courses to my mentors. You don't I'll not ask you to invest on that, because I'm learning from there. I'm sharing every week, because every week I'm going to share new strategy and how I'm doing it, what actually working for me. It is not uh, something extra out of it. Right? Third, that's the interview I mentioned. Fourth, this is my mentor. Like I wanted to see that who is my mentor. He is a dream car winner. Uh, and super affiliate masterclass and make this is the by next week. And this is the funnel. Basically I have built a funnel. If you've gone through any of my funnel, you don't have to create a funnel, and I can give you all the bonuses I have prepared for your use. Let's suppose you wanted to promote this challenge as affiliate, you don't have to build a funnel extra. Simply you can use my bonuses. Is that something very cool? Because I have removed all the hard work I have done for the last 6 months, 7 months. You don't have to collect all the bonuses and make it one. I'm just giving done for you things once you sign up for this challenge. Awesome. Now this is the white label software, actually happy birthday extension I'm giving away for free. And some of you might have used this. And this is the notes. Basically, if you, let's suppose you miss something, you can use this notes for your things. This is a link widget software, link management software. You will get a lifetime lessons. If you go and directly purchase from this company, you will get it for $47 per month. You will get this software for lifetime. You don't have to pay extra. And the premium templates already designed. There are 40 templates. You can simply drag and drop. So this is the combined offer I'm putting. So how you like this offer, guys? So this is the power of giving offer where people cannot bargain for a price. And when you are selling same product in the market, you have to have a irresistible offer like this. Then only people will purchase from your link. So you have to understand it is not about selling something, but you have to be understand that what is the pattern I am following by promoting this as an offer, not just product. I'm okay. If I ask you, hey, purchase through my link, I think you might not purchase. But the thing is, I am purchasing things. You don't have any objections to say no about this offer. So this is not a EMI offer because this is not control on myself. So this is a special link you can you can ask me on mail or anything. I'll send it. But this is the special link you can use like sagarsangamsao.com/OFA is the direct sales page. And if you wanted to see the bonuses, this is my bonus page, OFA bonus, right? Because you have to just see this is my affiliate ID. And but the fast action bonuses, if you wanted to take action now, let's suppose within next 2 hours. So this is the offer for you. I'll share Russell Brunson presentations where he made $3.2 million in sales in just 90 minutes. I'll share you the exact same script with slides, but the slides he used for free. If you purchase from Russell Brunson, it will cost you $47. But this is the fast action bonuses for today, not tomorrow, not any day. This is just only for webinar special because you stayed for such a long period of time. And this is all, if you confirm your spot now, then only I can provide you this offer. This is the fast action bonus, guys. This is if you go through my funnel, you cannot find this offer specifically. Fast action bonuses to Traffic Secret audiobook. This is also, I have show you like the audiobook costs $37. This is also for free. You don't have to pay me extra. Just have to sign up through my affiliate link. Right, guys? So isn't that something irresistible offer? So this is the two things, guys. Now you can ask me any questions if you have. This webinar is open for questions now. So if you guys attending this, for everybody, you will get one training for free, that is bonus for 5-day freedom challenge by my mentor. That is for free for everyone. The other thing is, now you can take this special offer of fast action bonuses. You can ask any question now. So guys, if you have any questions, you can unmute yourself. You can ask anything if you have any questions in your mind. Where can you use your funnel? For like I have shown you the 5 different ways, right? Specifically for the first 3 businesses, building your own product, building your services. Let's suppose you wanted to provide services as a agency or freelancers. And third one is affiliate marketer. The bonuses I'm providing you, it really help you to sell more OFA, right? Guys, any questions you can ask and we can close. Bro, I don't have any credit card. Okay, if you don't have any credit card, it also you can pay through debit card, which has international payment enabled. You can do. If you get stuck with implementation process, definitely you will get I have my inner circle group, that is my private group. In that group, already many people already gone through that challenge. They can help you. If I am available, I can definitely help you with that. So, okay, guys, any more questions? I think it is almost 90 minutes. So we'll close this webinar. If you don't have any questions, then so if somebody has missed or joined late, you will get the recording from me, and you can find all the details link in the below, specifically in the description or comment. You'll get this.